I'm Michael Hopkins here at Opportunity Green. I'm the editor-in-chief of the MIT Sloan Management Review. I did a presentation here that was about the findings from a year-long research program that we did at the MIT Sloan Management Review. Essentially, it was about the management implications of sustainability, which means it's about the ways that executives and managers and organizations are going to be run differently as a result of all kinds of sustainability-related pressures. Our whole program was designed to try to really answer the question, what's coming? How do companies have different kinds of opportunities and threats arising that they're going to have to prepare to counter? What does a business have to look like in order to thrive in that changed competitive environment? And then how do you get from where you are as an organization to where you need to be? It really is the best work that's been done about how management is going to be changed by sustainability, even when the managers don't care about sustainability, which was our main aim, was to look at the things that are going to happen in the competitive landscape, regardless of whether you're a sustainability fiend or not.